So as first question, you have been asked to locate root 3 minus 5 on number line. What kind of number is this? See, this is an irrational number. 5 is rational, root 3 is an irrational number. Irrational means its decimal version is gonna be non-terminating and non-recurring. It will keep on appearing without recurrence. So this is in a way it's unlimited. So unlimited minus 5 is also unlimited. No, so you can say this is rational, this is irrational, but this full is irrational, means the difference of irrational and rational is gonna be irrational here. Okay, so you have to locate this irrational number on number line. So how to locate it? See, you can easily locate 5 on number line, but right now let's focus on root 3. We have to see how long is root 3. We need the length of root 3. So as per our new method, what do we have to do? We just have to draw a line segment equals 3 centimeter. So here let's draw it here. So this is 0 and this is 3. So this is your 3 units. Okay, let's call it AB. Okay, now we have to extend this by 1 unit, no, as per our new method. Okay, so your AB was 3 units and your BC is 1 unit. So this is 3, this is 1, no, so this full from here to here, it is 4 units. It can be centimeter or inches, whatever you use to draw it. So your AC is this, which is 4 units. Now what do we have to do? You have to bisect this line segment. Okay, just learn this algorithm. How to bisect it? Open the compass more than half, this and this. Okay, and here also this and sorry. Yeah. Okay, so these 2 points, because we did not disturb the compass, so the distance of these 2 points from A and C is same. Okay, and so is the distance of all the points on this line. Okay, and that's why this also, this point is O. Now we have to draw a semicircle using OA as radius or OC as radius, one and the same thing. I'm just drawing it. Now we have to draw a 90-degree angle at point B. Okay, so to draw a 90-degree, we can bisect 60 and 120, and we can also bisect 0 and 180. Means 180 degrees. So this is our 90-degree here. And this distance BP is gonna be root 3. You need not to find it out now. Okay, you can simply say now BP is root 3 because we have verified this procedure in the previous module. Okay, so whenever we start with AB equals 3 centimeter, we get BP as root 3 centimeter or root 3 units. Okay, now we have to now we have got our root 3. Now this is our number line, okay, which has our 1 unit as 1 centimeter. I have taken it as 1 centimeter. You can follow the inch scale and you can choose your 1 unit as 1 inch also. Okay, so this is your number line. Okay, so now where to write 0? See, you have to go 5 steps backwards. So this root 3 minus 5 is actually equals to minus 5 plus root 3. So it's up to you whether you want to select root 3 first on number line and then subtract 5, or you can go 5 units back from 0 and then take root 3 unit step. So here your minus 5 is, that's why I chose it 0 here, because I just want to secure 5 digits behind 0. So it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is my number line. So first of all, minus 5, so I reached here. Okay, I should not label it because this is not my final answer. So this is minus 5. Okay, and from here I have to go plus root 3, means in the positive direction I have to go root 3 units. So let me select root 3. This is my root 3. Okay, this is root 3 units, BP is root 3 units. So I just have to go from 5. Sorry, wait, let me. So this is my minus 5 from here. Let me measure it again. This is root 3. Okay. So this is the required number. And which number is this? This is actually equals to, this number is actually equals to root 3 minus 5, or minus 5 plus root 3. So this is how you have to locate the irrationals on the number line. So we learned to locate irrationals on the number line. You may check this on calculators also. Okay, what do you have to do? You have to calculate root 3 and minus 5 and just see the positioning between minus 3 and minus 4. Let us check it. Let us calculate root 3 minus 5 on calculator. What to calculate actually? The decimal value of root 3. Okay, so here is root 3 and let's take its square root. So this is this. Now it's showing digits to till few places only. Actually, the number of decimal places is infinite. Because it's irrational, so it's non-terminating and in fact non-recurring. No digits, there will not be any repeating string of numbers. So this is the value of root 3 up to few decimal places. Now let's subtract minus 5 from this only. So that's equals to minus 3.2679. Okay, and it will keep on recurring. Okay, so where does this number lie? Root 3 minus 5. So it is less than minus 3 but greater than minus 4. So it's between minus 3 and minus 4 on the negative side of number line. No? So did we get the same answer? Just check. Yes, we got the same. The number has been located between minus 3 and minus 4 only.